I have several species of birds in my cage. Some are free range while others are caged. And you can see I'm holding a Shikra. The size of the tail. A male Shikra has a longer tail and bending upwards. You can see that trajectory, and the bird is getting excited, and don't be frightened by it. And this bird is majorly found in Africa, in the parts of East Africa to be specific, and also part of Asia, the area of Middle East and India. And Shikra, as I have said earlier, is an edible bird, and in Kenya it is illegal because according to the Wildlife Act of 2023, Shikra birds are just for wildlife purposes and not for consumption. And if you found or come across an injured Shikra, kindly report it to the nearby wildlife center or sanctuary for medication. Otherwise, we can close there unless you have more questions pertaining this colorful bird. Do you have any questions?
Yes, please. How do you determine the gender of a Shikra?
You look at the fence and the tail size, as well as the color of the eyes, to be specific for a layman's language. If you can see this one, it has the reddish iris, unlike the female. The female one has a yellowish iris and a shorter tail. Again, if you can see the legs, the male one has scaly legs, but the female one has less scaly legs. And that is all.
What is the lifespan of a Shikra?
A Shikra can live to a maximum of 7 years. From the look of things, the male bird.
What made you conclude that?
You can check on the tail. And
what's specific in the tail that gives you the assurance that it's a male?
Bird has a long tail, just like a cock.
Any other attribute?
You look also the face, the eyes. You look ruthless and hostile. Look at the beak itself.
Yes.
It's a carnivore bird, feeds on flesh. Unlike those ones, a straight beak that feeds on. And you can see also the claws.
Yes.
Very sharp.
Okay.